Looking for the best PlayStation Portal to level up your gaming anywhere? In this video, I'll break down what makes the top 5 options worth your time, performance, comfort, and real-world gameplay. If you want smoother remote play and a better PlayStation experience, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe for honest reviews and gaming tips you can trust. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Lavville PlayStation Portal. The LVVIL PlayStation Portal is designed for gamers who want to enjoy their PlayStation experience without being tied to the TV. This handheld remote play device lets you stream games directly from your PlayStation console, giving you freedom and flexibility while keeping the gameplay immersive. Starting with the design, the LVVIL PlayStation Portal feels comfortable in the hands, with an ergonomic layout that mirrors a traditional controller. The built-in screen is bright and clear, making game details easy to see, even during fast-paced action. Buttons are responsive, and the analog sticks offer smooth, accurate control. In terms of performance, this device delivers low-latency streaming when connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. Gameplay feels fluid, and audio stays in sync, which is crucial for competitive and story-driven games. Setup is straightforward: connect it to your PlayStation, sign in, and you're ready to play. Now for the pros. It's portable, easy to use, and perfect for gaming in different rooms or while traveling at home. On the downside, performance depends heavily on your internet connection, and it doesn't replace a full console experience. Personally, I think the LVVIL PlayStation Portal is a solid choice for PlayStation fans who want convenient remote gaming without complexity. It's best suited for casual to dedicated gamers who value flexibility and comfort. See the description for more details. Number 2. FYOUNG PlayStation Portal. The FYOUNG PlayStation Portal, a handheld remote play device designed for gamers who want to enjoy their PlayStation experience beyond the TV. The FYOUNG PlayStation Portal connects directly to your PlayStation console through Wi-Fi, letting you stream games smoothly on a dedicated handheld screen. It features a comfortable controller-style design, responsive buttons, and a clear display that makes long gaming sessions feel natural and immersive. If you've ever wanted to continue your game from the couch, bedroom, or even another room, this device is built exactly for that purpose. Pros include solid build quality, easy setup, and controls that feel familiar to PlayStation users. Gameplay feels responsive when paired with a strong internet connection, and the handheld design is great for quick sessions or extended play. Cons are worth noting too. It relies heavily on stable Wi-Fi, and it's designed strictly for remote play, not standalone gaming. My overall analysis: the FYOUNG PlayStation Portal does what it promises. It's not meant to replace your console, but it's excellent at extending your gaming freedom. This device is best for PlayStation fans who want flexibility, parents sharing the TV, or gamers who like playing comfortably anywhere at home. See the description for more details. Number 3. Orsley PlayStation Portal. The Orzly PlayStation Portal, designed specifically to enhance and protect your PlayStation Portal remote player. First, let's talk about what it is. Orzly is well known for quality gaming accessories, and this PlayStation Portal solution focuses on protection, comfort, and everyday usability. Whether it's a protective case, grip-friendly design, or screen protection, everything is built to fit the portal precisely without blocking buttons, vents, or controls. Pros are easy to point out. The build quality feels solid and reliable, making it great for daily use or travel. It adds protection without making the device bulky, and the fit is snug and secure. It also helps keep your PlayStation Portal clean and scratch-free, which is important if you game on the go. Now for the cons. If you prefer a super minimal setup, any added protection may feel slightly heavier than using the device bare. Also, it's made specifically for the PlayStation Portal, so it won't serve multiple devices. Orzly delivers exactly what most Portal users want: peace of mind, comfort, and durability. It doesn't try to reinvent the device, it just makes the experience better and safer. Just fit your PlayStation Portal into the case or accessory, and you're ready to play as usual. No setup, no learning curve. This product is great for gamers who travel, families with kids, or anyone who wants to protect their investment. It may not be necessary for ultra-casual users, but it's a smart choice for regular players. See the description for more details. Number 4. Auarte PlayStation Portal. The Auarte PlayStation Portal, a device designed to make remote PlayStation gaming more convenient and immersive. The Auarte PlayStation Portal lets you stream your PlayStation gameplay directly from your console to a dedicated handheld screen. It's built for gamers who want flexibility, whether you're playing from another room in your house or just want a more personal, portable setup. The design feels comfortable in the hands, with responsive controls that mirror a traditional PlayStation controller, making gameplay feel familiar right away. Pros include smooth remote play performance on a stable internet connection, a clear and vibrant display, and an easy setup process. It's also lightweight, which makes longer gaming sessions more enjoyable. On the cons side, it does rely heavily on strong Wi-Fi, and it's not meant to replace a full console experience, it's an extension of it. To use it, simply connect the device to your Wi-Fi, link it with your PlayStation, and start streaming your games. It's straightforward and beginner-friendly. Personally, I think the Auarte PlayStation Portal is great for PlayStation fans who want flexibility and convenience without giving up familiar controls. It's not for offline gaming, but for remote play lovers, it does the job well. See the description for more details. Number 5. Klipdasse PlayStation Portal. The Klipdasse PlayStation Portal, a device designed to make remote play smoother, more comfortable, and more convenient for everyday gamers. The Klipdasse PlayStation Portal lets you stream your PlayStation gameplay directly to a dedicated handheld screen, giving you the freedom to play without being tied to your TV. It features a solid display, responsive controls, and a layout that feels familiar to PlayStation users, which helps reduce the learning curve right out of the box. Pros include its portable design, comfortable grip, and stable performance when paired with a strong internet connection. It's easy to set up, syncs quickly, and works well for casual sessions or extended playtime. The screen quality is clear enough to enjoy story-driven games, sports titles, and even fast-paced action. On the downside, performance depends heavily on your Wi-Fi quality, and it's not meant to fully replace playing directly on a console or TV. Competitive gamers may still prefer traditional setups. To use it, simply connect it to your PlayStation, ensure a reliable network, and start streaming your games instantly. Personally, I think the Klipdasse PlayStation Portal is a great option for gamers who want flexibility and convenience at home. It's best suited for casual players, busy households, or anyone who enjoys gaming on the go. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.